Hi.
Hi.
You'll push me off from the lift.
Uh, uh,
Uh,
Satish, I'll go to washroom and come,
Hey,
man.
go wherever you want, man.
Hey, it's men's
what?
washroom.
Can't you answer my calls? You're ignoring me, right? You have that much guts, huh? After all this, you're trying to escape from me. I leak all the private photos of us.
Hey, nothing like that, Sindhu. I was thinking about it.
Please, Shri. I can't live without you. I miss you. I really enjoyed the Munnar trip. You were always there with me. What's there to think about it?
Okay, fine. Let's plan.
Sir, are you done?
Hey, Sindhu.
Hi.
Oh, she came.
Late. Take your seat. Mr. Tangraj. He's everything to me.
Hey, what, bro? Is this important?
Hi.
Hey, greet her.
So, now the
Ah.
matter is,
Ah.
at home they don't even know what is live-in is.
If they get to know, they'll hit you with slippers.
True, bro.
Thanks.
But you like live-in and I like you. So, let me explain the plan. You guys ready?
Ready?
Good. Listen, this is my house. Little away from there, one house is vacant and this is where we're gonna live in. Satish has to get this right.
Jojo.
Huh?
Every day while coming from office, I'll drop in near the house and I go to my house. That's when Tangraj brother will call in front of my
Bro.
mom and
Loudspeaker.
thanks bro.
Ah.
In loudspeaker,
Ah.
he'll talk about training me
Ah.
as a tailor.
1 minute. That loudspeaker. My plan.
Oh.
Tell.
So keeping this as a reason, I'll come back and stay with you in that house. And for dinner, I'll go back to house. And when everybody sleeps, from back door, I'll come to your house. And by the time my mom wakes up, I'll be there. So I'll be with you also. And also I'll be with my parents.
In simple words, need to work like slave.
Exactly, bro.
I know, bro.
Guys, plan is little complicated. But if you guys support us, possible. LHS equal to RHS.
Okay,
Jojo.
bro. Hey, 1 second. Hey, what is that,
No, it's
Jojo?
bro.
activity.
Hey, what is this? You tell, bro.
Sindhu, did you understand the plan?
Okay.
Then plan is success.
Judge.
Hey.
Sindhu, come. You light it.
Hey. Go, man.
Mm,
Always behind.
Tangaraju bro,
Huh?
please do the honor.
Huh? Me.
Brother, come, brother.
Come, bro.
It's
Hey,
okay,
hey.
come. You light it.
Uh-huh. Yeah. If you want, I'll ask her sorry.
Sorry. Why?
I abused her that day.
Bro, she doesn't even know about it. You light it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Jojo.
She's a nice girl, bro. I was actually wrong.
Thank you, bro.
Bye. Bye-bye.
See ya. Bye. When did Satish and other people leave? They didn't even tell.
Hey,
Yeah, I
have fun.
Master.
Have fun.
Thank you, Master. Bye.
It's not big to start off a live-in life. You should see to it how it works out. All the best.
Okay, Master.
See you.
Bye. mom and dad had come, it would have been nice.
I'm here for you, no? Shri,
Mm.
if there was a lift in this building, it would be nice, no?
Mm.
It should just be like our office lift. It would be really romantic.
Mm.
Once in a while, if it gets stuck, it would be nice, no? Hmm?
Mm. Hey. Hey. Hey, stop. Sindhu, don't run. Sindhu, hey. Oh God, it's so late.
Sri dear, you are getting late. What is this? You doing exercise?
Mom, enough, Mom.
Not enough. Just shut up and eat.
Fine, we don't eat. Good morning. I want good food.
You didn't like it?
Hey, no. My stomach is full.
Hereafter, eat less at your home.
Hey. Hmm? What? Hey.
Sorry. Guys, plumbing work going on in toilet. Nobody should go there, okay?
Hello?
Tell bro.
Have you switched on loudspeaker, bro?
Oh. Tell me, bro.
When are you coming to the tailoring class? Timing is very important. Come fast.
I'll come. Don't be angry,
Come as
bro.
soon as possible.
What class?
Our Tangraj, bro, Mom. Anyways, I'm bored at home. Daily I'm planning to go, Mom. I will also learn. Bye, Mom.
Listen, he learnt it from me itself. What will that fellow teach you? I'm wondering.
Shri,
Hmm?
what's your dream?
I didn't get any such dreams.
In life, what's your dream?
I don't have any such.
Okay, carry on.
Okay. Tell me, what's your dream?
I want to open a restaurant in LA.
Why restaurant?
I love cooking. And it's a very big business, you know. A restaurant in LA and a villa there. It's my dream. I'm saving money for it.
Did you name the restaurant?
I've been thinking about it. Not able to find a name.
SS Restaurant?
What's that?
Shri, Sindhu, how's it? How's it? Hmm?
You really don't have any dream?
I should look after my mother. That's all.
That's not dream. Responsibility.
Whatever. Okay, what is LA? Loose angles. This only. Sindhu, let's go.
I'll be late today.
Okay, I'll wait.
No, you leave. Cook something. I'm really hungry. I'll come in cab.
Okay, fine.
Bye. Didn't you water the plants? You didn't cook?
No, Sindhu. I had some work. I went outside. I'll cook now.
I told you, right? I'm really hungry now. Why are you doing this?
Hey, why are you shouting now? Come, let's go eat outside.
I'm tired. You could have better cooked.
You go and fresh up and come. I'll wait down. Let's go.
Hey, stop there.
Not there. There's a new restaurant open nearby. Let's go there.
Anyway, just stop there.
Come, close by only.
What
1 minute,
happened?
get down.
What happened?
Fuel is over.
I told you no. Let's stop there only. Why are you doing this? Can't you make sure you have a fuel in the bike? Are you a kid?
Shh, don't
You
shout.
ride the bike or me?
Why
How
are
should
you
we go
shouting
from
like
here
this?
now? Huh? All this wouldn't have happened if we had dinner in the house. Why are you doing this? It's so irritating. Nowadays, you're so irresponsible. I don't know what to do with you.
I went and asked your dad, where did you born? I went near that hospital, but that is closed 10 years back. 1 week I was in search of it. I found out the owner of that hospital and asked about the doctor who did the delivery to your mom, Dr. Jayashitra. Now she is 91 years old. She said hospital documents are in Hyderabad. I took another 10 days to search for those documents, and then after seeing the documents only I'm speaking. In about 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Sindhu. Exactly in this moment, you were born here only. You told me when I asked that only your mom knows about your birth timing. Now I also know that. I'll be there with you forever.